can see that it immediately starts to dissolve. Have you ever wished your grass could soak up nutrients better and hold on to moisture longer? Well, today we're talking about two powerhouse products, the Anderson's DG and Hydra. One boosts soil health and helps your lawn make the most of its fertilizer, and the other keeps your grass hydrated so you don't have to water as much. Sounds like a dream team, right? But what exactly do they do, and why should you care? Don't worry, I got you. Let's break it down in the simplest possible way. First up, we have the Humic DG. Think of it as a soil supercharger. It's made of humic acid, which is basically the good stuff that makes soil rich and healthy. But here's the thing, Humic DG isn't like fertilizer. You're not gonna see overnight results, and that can make some people wonder if it's even doing anything. And I totally get it. I used to feel the same way. But here's why I believe in it. I did an experiment last year with soil amendments, and the results were fantastic. The side treated with the soil amendments produced healthier, greener grass, and the lawn just handled stress easier. That's because Humic DG, with its DG technology, dissolves quickly and gets deep into the soil, helping roots grow stronger and making fertilizers work better. It's a long-term investment in your soil's health, and trust me, your lawn will thank you. Now let's talk about Hydra. This stuff is all about water retention. You ever notice how your lawn dries out super fast in the heat? Hydra helps your soil hold on to moisture longer so your grass stays hydrated even between waterings. That means less watering for you and less stress for your lawn during the hot, dry days. Plus, it encourages deeper root growth as well, so your grass becomes more drought resistant over time. Now, I know someone's gonna ask, can you mix these two products together? And the answer is yes. Since they do totally different things, they actually work really well together. Just mix them in the spreader and apply at the same time. Then just water it in and you are good to go. So if you want a lawn that absorbs nutrients better and holds on to water longer, this combo is a game changer. Your grass will grow stronger, stay greener, and need less watering. So win-win, right? Seriously, your lawn will thank you, and so will your water bill. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more DIY lawn care tips, and drop a comment if you've tried these products before. Until next time, keep your lawn happy and healthy.